back to another video. So we're here at Admiralty Park and we're celebrating Nora's birthday. Let's go. Got everyone here. Yeah.
And I should picture boogers.
What if I put that in the vlog? Okay. We got a lot of food here, you guys. We got some puto. We got some Filipino barbecue, cassava, spaghetti, pancit, pork barbecue, some shrimp, and some adobo. Yeah.
You want to eat too? You want to eat? Look.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yay!
Mata na dyan, maginano. Ganyan na, vlogger.
Also it's good. We got pancit, we got spaghetti, shrimps, barbecued pork, and ribs. Oh, nice. Enjoy.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Nora.
Yeah! Yay!
You're so lucky. You're so lucky. I know. That's not fair.
This is so nerve-wracking. Second time I've ever cliff jumped here in Bermuda.
Hey, don't
Jarwin, how was your diving experience in Bermuda?
It's good.
Joy, how's cliff jumping in Bermuda? Nice. That was great, guys. Just what I needed after a long day at work. Cheers. Oh. Alright guys, so it's starting to get dark now. You can hear the bugs. I tried to get my drone up, but then something happened to the gimbal, the camera. Maybe it was because of the wind earlier. Like, it was pretty strong up there, so I couldn't really get that much drone footage, unfortunately. But it was really fun to jump off the cliffs. It was really scary at first, but once you like jump in first, the second one kind of still scary, third one not too much, and then after that, jump. So we're just packing up our food and everything. Yeah, people are walking their dogs, people are still swimming. Overall, really beautiful evening. Alright guys, so it's getting late now. Actually, you can see the moon right there. Everyone say bye. 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 Alright guys, so that was us cliff jumping here in Bermuda. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Stop peeing.
Stop it!